Hi. I just tripped. I just tripped on my laptop ka charger. Oh, also I'm logged in today. It's a huge memory in my life. Like
this is the fifth person
crazy.
calling today.
ऊपर का ले लो steps का. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. So should be one 5 finger mark. This last again. Hello you guys, welcome back to another vlog, and this vlog is going to be really special because I'm gonna turn 24 in this vlog and it's my birthday vlog. So I was not really very excited about this prior because I was like too indulged into the work, and I'm like acha birthday aa raha hai. It's like okay, but definitely I'm going to do few things which I would like to share with you people. So that's why I'm vlogging today. Sorry, excuse me for the voice. My voice has gone like to nuts. I'm sick from like past 1 week and it's been insane. It's not healing. I'm taking medicines, I'm taking antibiotics, and still it's in the same place. Today I'm feeling a bit better. Today is 3rd October, like more 2 days. No, today's 4th. Oh, today's 4th October. I'm still in the notion of 3rd October. So I'm feeling today better. Today is 4th October. I think only one more day and then my birthday. I have not bought any outfit. I have to buy an outfit, or I have to do some jugaad for my outfit. I didn't do anything because I had no plans. Like, who will do? I thought 2 reels, 2 videos, and I put it on Instagram and YouTube and just chill at home. That was my birthday plan. But I see my family doesn't like those plans, and they ultimately made some other plans. And yes, so with my birthday comes Dashara. So around Dashara only my birthday comes. So there are a lot of things and festivals keep happening. Yesterday we went to Patkama. So that's a like major Telangana festival, Telangana Andhra festival which happens, and I enjoyed the fullest. I danced like a mad person, and my legs, head, hands, everything hurt. I slept like insane. Got up late. I got up around 7:30ish. Now it is 8:55. My mom and dad left out. They had to go somewhere else for homam. So today is the last day of Navratri. So there is a homam near the there's a home near the close by temple, so they went there. Me and my sister will be going there after a while. I'm having my breakfast mein kuch nahi hai. There is lemon rice. I took a little amount only because I'm feeling very sick and I don't feel like having rice. I wanted to eat something like bread, milk and all, but I think it's triggering my cough, so that's why I'm like ठीक है जान दो, कुछ भी दे दो, गरम दे दो, I will have it. That's the place we are at. So these are the some footage I'm going to play in from yesterday's Batkama. So finally my struggle for hair color is done. I finally colored my hair. If you want to know the color, check out that video, but complete this video and go there. Links are in the description, or it will come here or here in the eye, so you can see it from there. For this birthday I wanted a major change in myself because I have been through a lot of pressure on myself, because I have lately been into more of a career oriented, and I have missed on many friends, and like I have become numb at a point wherein I'm like, okay, chalega, fine. It triggered me when like yesterday when I was coloring my hair, and it's like after coloring my hair, I was sitting there for 30 minutes in a meeting, and then I like triggered like you're not excited for anything, like kuch bhi nahi. Hair color was something which I was like very happy to do, but not pretty excited, but very nervous as well. So that's a mixed feeling which I had for hair color, but I'm not feeling any more excited or maybe this thing. So I'm gonna trigger that up. Maybe मेरा career दाव पे है तो भी चलेगा, but I want myself back. So today after the homam I have to go pick my outfit, and let's see what happens, where this vlog takes us. Tell no, give some idea. Come on, you can give some gist. ये क्या मंदिर है, घूमते रहते हैं मंदिर लेके जाते हैं,
भगवान के दर्शन करे तो
भगवान का दर्शन बस से।
कल 2 मंदिर जा रहे हैं, फिर से परसों मेरा बर्थडे के दिन मंदिर ही जा रहे हैं।
भगवान का चरण,
भगवान के पास ही जाए ना,
भगवान का चरण है फिर क्या
नो प्लीज डोंट रूइन इट, नो मंदिर।
एक काम करेंगे, वेट, एक काम करेंगे, इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग ऑल राइस आइटम सुबह में, बोलते सुबह में कैसे हरी हरी रहता, क्या होता रात में टाइम लगेगा बनने में, सोने को टाइम लगेगा, तो क्या करेंगे राइस आइटम्स को 50-50 डिवाइड करेंगे, थोड़े रात में बनाएंगे थोड़े इसमें बनाएंगे, मुरपुरे का लड्डू
खराब हो जाता है।
टॉकिंग समथिंग, यू डाइवर्टिंग द टॉपिक।
अरे फिर दिस शुड हैपन, नो मम्मी शुड मेक नाइट में डे में आल्सो।
आई हेल्प हर, आई टोल्ड नो।
हेलो
हेलो, गिव मी सम अटेंशन, give me some attention. I am born in Dasara, I am the Mata, so give me attention.
माता को घर भेजा दे रही हूँ।
She bought it and you see.
So this is the first outfit I tried, and I do not feel this outfit. It looks pretty nice in camera, but it's like I look like a bacon, like from everywhere, packed pork. It's too plain for my choice. It looks like a uniform though. This is my third option. I really like it. The lighting is very bad here, but this is the first one I picked up. It's very vibrant and very me, but I feel it's kind of short though, but I really love it. I think I'm gonna pick this up. And black is OG. What is a haul without a black color top? Sweatshirt, but I don't think tomorrow it will be comfortable. So I bought my dress. Finally, I thought I won't get any dress because if it's nice, no, if it fits me, it's not nice. If it doesn't fit me, it is excellent. So yes, that's the end of the story. I have to still go to a temple. There is the last puja. Today is Durga. See, today is Dasharana. There is one more last Tulsi puja. I almost got hit. Like insane. That fellow is so stupid. He's taking reverse. He's looking at my car and still coming ulta. Like, कहाँ से आते हैं ऐसे गधे गधे लोग? I'm honking. I have no place to go back. There is another car behind. I wanted to go back, but no, that fellow is. I'm going on honking, and that idiot had to come and hit my car. But there is a crack on my headlight and nothing more serious.
So I think I should get that fixed as soon as possible. Oh, I picked up cupcakes. I picked up cupcakes for myself as a treat because no one. My father used to at least spill the tea. Every year my father used to spill the tea. Like, kya hai plan, I used to get to know. Otherwise my sister used to spill the tea. Either one used to spill the tea and I used to know ki kya ho raha hai. What is the mamla. But this year, no one is telling me. I don't know, like, can I vlog there, or I don't know what is going to happen. They didn't order cake. I bought my dress finally though, but they didn't order cake. They're not letting me buy cake also, because cake is like the mains for me.
You don't need this one.
What is my cupcake? Getting excited for tomorrow. These people have planned something and my curiosity hits when it's a secret. So if I know it, okay, I'm prepared. But if I don't know it, my curiosity is like boom, like what is that? It gets me anxious, nervous, happy, everything.
It's 12. Let's go. It's 6th October. It's 6th. That's birthday. Happy birthday. Keep. Yes.
You're recording.
Yes. Still get freaking old. Eat it. You wanted to eat it.
Happy birthday to me.
Who is calling?
Which dog is calling me? Silent kar do bas. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Oh my. You're getting beatings.
So this is my outfit. I wore a legging because I'm going to the temple. It will be pretty awkward if it is like only that. People will give me that weird looks. So this is my birthday outfit. It has a belt. It had come with the outfit itself. And I wore this rings which I got it from nowhere. I'm wearing my watch. I don't have a watch that I could match with the silver things. I'm wearing another ring here. For the earrings, I wore these big hoops. I found it very classy, so I picked it up from the same shop, and I wore this silver chain, and that's the total outfit. I'm just wondering what I have to put onto this hand, or maybe I'll just leave it just like that. And yeah, let's keep going. Now it's early, 7:30 I guess. 7:30, got up early, got fresh, took some good pictures. I'll post the pictures here, or you can go and check them on my Instagram. Let's go. Just look at that beauty, like how beautiful it is. It's raining though, but it's an admirable beauty. I know, I saw. Look at this place, how gorgeous, how soothing it is. I'm but terrified of monkeys. They are getting not, they're not getting terrified. I am getting such a beautiful place. हाँ नीचे उतरेंगे. What is more soothing? Like, look at this, look at the greenery, the fresh air which is. I am not so
आराम से ठंडा दिख रहा
Oh, my lipstick is gone. I have to touch up my lipstick. So people who are wondering which lipstick I put on, I put the Nika's some red lipstick. I will show you the shade in some time. Mummy, manchi place తీసుకొచ్చిన mummy.
Thank you so much.
Like, look, it was like so detoxing and so relaxing and nice. I did a correct makeup. I expected to be something like this only, like crossing ORR and then coming here. So this place is Sangi temple and it's so beautiful. It's so soothing. We sat here for almost like 3 hours, like 1 hour for darshan and 1 hour we sat here. 1 hour we took pictures, enjoyed the nature. The air is so fresh and so nice. Like, thank you so much for bringing me here. So people around Hyderabad can come here. It is just around 1 hour to 45 minutes drive depending upon the speed. You can come here, sit here for a while. The temple is open from Eponichi Mummy temple
7:30 to 10:30 morning.
Change our timing 7:30 to 1 o'clock.
7:30 to 1 o'clock is the morning timing, which is the updated. Like old time it was only till 10:30. Now it is till 1. ఇంకొకటి ఈవినింగ్ వచ్చేసి 7 ఈవినింగ్ 5 నుంచి ఏమో కదా. Evening it is from 4 o'clock to 7:30. 7:30, 8:30. So be ahead in time because Archana and all happens like every half an hour, once in a half an hour. So if you're coming for Archana and all, you will be there and you can enjoy the nature. Actually, the drive is also so nice. Fresh air. We stopped the ACs as well and took like nice fresh deep breaths and like my lungs are all detoxed and like yes, we can get back to work tomorrow, but tomorrow I dekhenge. So now we are going some other place it seems. Home it seems. So we had breakfast and all done. Let's keep going. I think highway होगा क्योंकि इतना अंदर को बोला तो यार आई एम थिंकिंग विंडो की डायरेक्शन करेक्ट लगाया कि हाईवे भी टच नहीं हो रहा. मैं वही ढूंढ रहा हूँ हाईवे के लिए भी ढूंढ रहा हूँ वो भी नहीं है. यू पुट द रॉन्ग एड्रेस और करेक्ट एड्रेस.
Correct only. Again, I put in my towels distance. It's correct only.
पीछे से भी गाड़ी आ रहा है. मे भी इतना अच्छा प्लेस को इतना खसरा रोड है.
रोड में से भी होगा
मे बी
Google Maps likes to,
ruin my patience.
No, Google Maps likes to give an adventure.
अपन अकेले जा रहे हैं.
हाँ, जब से अकेला गाड़ी चल रहा था मैं भी वही इधर नेक्स्ट राइट था. देखो रामोजी फिल्म सिटी के अंदर से ही है.
चलेगा हम इसमें के
इधर रोड को चेंज कर ली.
उधर से अपने को मिल जाता डायरेक्ट हाईवे से मिल जाएगा अपने को.
से बट करेक्ट only.
बस लूड़ होते కదా.
इधर बोर्ड पे रामोजी फिल्म सिटी है.
ये पूरा उनका ही एरिया है.
एरिया उनका है. इधर चलो.
బస్ అయితే పోయింది.
ఇక ఇక్కడ నిలబడి కొట్లాడింది చూడగా కత్తులు కట్టాలు ఎత్తుకొని ఈ నుంచి షూట్ ఫైట్ చేసింది. ఇక్కడ నిలబడి బాణాలు వదిలిందో చూడండి.
ఎస్ మొత్తం
ఆల్వేస్ రైట్.
అరే నువ్వు కరెక్ట్ చెప్పిన
అక్కడి నుంచి కనబడుతుంది, ఇదే కనబడుతుంది అని చెప్పాను.
దిక్కురాత
పడవలో తీసుకొని పోయింది బాగుపడి.
See green screens are also there.
Drop you people here, but parking అదే కదా parking. हम लोग ने फ्री रामोजी फिल्म सिटी का ट्रिप ले लिया है. We went from some gate and we ended up inside Ramoji Film City and follow చేస్తున్నాడు మనల్ని బయటికి పోతున్నా లేదా like legit. I mean, to go inside you need the ticket though, but
we went for free.
We went in for free and we are pretty confused.
And
we took a free what is this tour package.
We're in the correct path.
We are in correct path. Straight ఒక్కటే దారి అన్నాడు highway కి.
Follow कर रहा हूँ लोग
I want to follow. So we actually saw the Bahubali set for free. We could see those boats and all. I will share few glimpses, or you must have already seen those. And I'm like, wow. We saw it for free. Like initially the entry ticket is 1,000 rupees per person, so it should be 4,000 rupees, and we visited for free. And inka ekkadako పోతున్నట్టున్నాడు. See, all these are the sets in Ramoji Film City which you have to pay to enter, and हम लोग फ्री में देख रहे हैं, पुक्कट में भटक रहे हैं. हाँ, सीरियल्स एंड वो उसके लिए. Look at the place, look at the intensity and all, like so beautiful. And I mean, we cannot take the inside benefits though, because wherever you go you have to show the ticket, but or it's either the buses, but we are roaming for free. Like initially we thought Ramoji Film City and like budget se zyada ho raha hai, we rather have lunch and go home. My father has few meetings, and then like hum to room mein hum घूमी फिल्म सिटी घूमी. इधर पूछो डैडी, इधर ही है शायद टिकट का.
टिकट कहीं के लिए अभी?
नहीं एग्जिट का. अच्छा
है?
वो पीछे से है एग्जिट, नहीं आगे से भी है. नहीं एग्जिट मुझे तो बताते ना, यही के रास्ता है शायद.
वही अपन जो आए रास्ते कुछ जॉइन होता चला.
Like we literally went into the village. You have seen the earlier footage, no? Like we literally went in the village, and I was like, I'm cussing like we went to the wrong place, and then we turn up into Ramoji Film City. What a birthday! It would be a memory. नहीं मम्मी, ఒక memory అయిపోయింది. ఫ్రీగా రామోజీ ఫిల్మ్ సిటీ తిరిగినాం. Free visit, free tour.
Possible. Anything is possible in my.
But we couldn't go inside. Yeah. Everything from outside we could see, and you know we had a tour trip and enjoyed. Highway किस तरफ है? Left हाँ? Thank you so much. आपको right बता रविंदु?
Yes.
हाँ?
Yes.
पीछे गाड़ी आ रही है ना, तो गाड़ी के पीछे जाओ. नहीं, अपन उसके सिटी से बाहर आए.
हाँ. देखिए हम लोग घुस गए बिना टिकट के.
ये भी सिटी के एरिया है.
हाँ, एरिया पूरा रामोजी फिल्म सिटी का है.
Actual रामोजी फिल्म सिटी में गए हम. The actual place set से पूरा.
सब लोग वही परेशान हो रहे हैं, ये लोग कैसा आ गए अंदर बोल के. That was fun यार. Like yeah, we have come to the main gate of Ramoji Film City where we had to enter. And हम लोग ना उधर से Google showed us a way from a village, and Google is not Kamchor. Google gave me a free trip on the occasion of my birthday. Like so good Google is. I thank Google.
Hello. Google से रास्ता कौन निकाला?
आप निकाले, but it generally doesn't show that way only. सब लोग वही परेशान हो गए, ये लोग अंदर कैसे आ गए बिना
There is supposed to be a security guard who couldn't see us.
ये देख रहे हैं एक बड़ा
Finally home, changed into my comfy PJs, shorts and this t-shirt. Please excuse me, all this is the morning makeup which I put. So whatever pending was kept onto my... So it's 4:30 we reached home like 10-15 minutes ago, and I just like laid down. I was so overwhelmed because I was not excited at a point of my birthday, and having a surprise retro cake cutting was like insane. I don't know how the footage came, but for me, I wanted all of my family members to come. All of my family members to come. So that was the thing. If I am missing in that, no worries. It's the best moment I have experienced, and it's my first time that I have cut a cake in a restaurant in between so many people, and I'm so overwhelmed. My family has done so much for me. I am very happy. I think like sometimes like I have nothing, I have no one, like in friends or something, but I do have so many people who love me. I just do not realize that. So today I took that moment to grasp it and feel loved, feel overwhelmed, and actually I'm very happy. So cheers. I'm sharing this piece of cake with you also. Please have it. Also my fam, I love you all guys. I appreciate you being and giving your time to me. Cheers. Wow, this is the ending for my night, and this is a gorgeous food at home which I would love it. Nothing's more yummy than it. It's chicken fry and roti. Chicken is like my evergreen favorite. Like I can eat chicken any time of the day. So let me take the bite. Where is it? Ah. In this vlog, there's more of food than anything else. So I'm gonna end this vlog here because I have to clean this and I have to clean this, which is all a mess. Also in the morning I sat and I decluttered all my clothes and all, and I sorted out which is in the other room. I don't keep the clothes in this because that room has cupboards. This room does not have cupboards, so it's just open spaces. I just have to get a curtain done. Also I'm going to do this room makeover really soon, and that vlog is also going to come. But actually I am very overwhelmed that I have so many precious people in my life which I actually underestimated, and I thought I'm alone, and you know I was going through a phase of time wherein I was like very down self-estimatedly. But someday we are going to achieve it, and then I'm gonna quit this job, start my own business maybe. Who knows? Like, a very impulsive person I am. So let's see where it goes, because every company was an impulse, everything I've done is an impulse. Like, my history is insane. I will do a chit chat video wherein I'm going to tell about myself, my history, my story. I am really overwhelmed. Thank you for all your wishes on Instagram, YouTube, and on my social medias, Snapchat, WhatsApp. I love you all, guys. Thank you for all the support. Hopefully by next birthday we will have a K along with the numbers. So now we are at 460. I guess, if I'm not wrong, 460, and I don't want 500k, but I definitely want a K by my next birthday. This is my wish, and let's make it fulfill. So this is all for this vlog, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post a new video. I will see you guys in another vlog and in another video. Until next time, keep shining. Love you all, guys.